cranes 1.1 to 1.6 east-southeast, 190 feet AGL. Use caution for birds and all wildlife in the vicinity. Use caution for men and equipment close clear all runways and taxiways. Advisors contact of information Bravo.
We have information Bravo. Alright, it's been a minute. I had a couple flights that didn't work out equipment-wise. Cameras or audio malfunctions. Hopefully that's not going to happen here. Started a new job, and that meant that when my schedule worked, the weather didn't, and when the weather did, my schedule didn't. So it's been a little bit since I've been flying, so hopefully we can have a good flight today, but definitely more checklist discipline than... Not that I'm not always checklist disciplined, but pay a little bit extra attention because it's been a little bit since I've flown. So we're going to go fly to Janesville for some lunch, and then head on back. It's a beautiful day to go flying, so thank you for coming along. Executive Ground, Skyhawk 636, Charlie Bravo's at Hangar 6, looking for a VFR Northwest departure with information Bravo.
And going VFR Northwest, give me numbers one more time.
636 Charlie Bravo.
The 636 Charlie Bravo, Executive Ground, runway 16, taxi via Delta Yankee Lima, cross runway 12.
16 Delta Yankee Lima, 6 Charlie Bravo. Cross 12. Alright, let's do a little brake test. Good. Alright, let's get going here. Oh, good. Alright, we're going to taxi out, do a quick run up, and then I will see you on the other side. Executive Tower, Skyhawk 636, Charlie Bravo, holding short of 16, ready to go.
So 636, Charlie Bravo, Executive Tower, roger. Cessna 6 Charlie Bravo, the Sirius ahead is also northwest bound. Use caution, there's some personnel and equipment close but clear. Left side, last third of the runway. Right turnout northwest is approved. Runway 16, clear takeoff.
Right turnout approved, cleared for takeoff. I'll keep an eye out for the Sirius 6 Charlie Bravo.
So 7 Jet Alpha, runway 16, clear to land. Use caution, there's going to be personnel and equipment close but clear. Last third of the runway, left side.
Cleared to land, runway 16. We'll use caution with the equipment, 87 Juliet Alpha.
All right, heels to the floor, full power, here we go. Making full power, airspeed's alive, engine instruments are in the green, 45, 55, rotate. And we're flying. Above 1,000 feet, flaps up.
Executive Tower. Tower, Cessna 9484 Hotel, holding short of 16, ready for departure, and we'd like to make this departure to the northwest.
Cessna 9484 Hotel, roger. Traffic just joining up on about a mile and a half final. Right turnout northwest is approved. Runway 16 cleared for takeoff.
16 cleared for takeoff, 84 Hotel.
Feels good.
Wind 2005.
What a beautiful day to go flying.
Cessna 7 Jet Alpha, is it Area 2?
Yes, sir.
Cessna 7 Jet Alpha, roger. Kilo Echo Bravo, cross runway 24, Area 2, this frequency.
Kilo Echo Bravo, cross 24 with you, 87 Juliet Alpha.
All right, after takeoff, flaps up, throttle. Make sure it's still full rich. We're on the cruise.
Airport 8, roger. Cessna just exited at Kilo 3. They're going back to Area 2, fast behind them. Kilo can cross runway 30 and 24.
Kilo, cross 30 and 24, behind the Cessna, airport number.
Like I said before, it's been a little bit since I've been up. I got a new job, which has been a lot busier, and schedules have just been kind of crazy as of late, so I have not really gotten a chance to fly as much as I wanted to. Hopefully that'll start changing as long as the weather holds out. You know, winter time in Chicago, which is probably a little too much to hope for. But if I can get up a couple times, that'll make me pretty happy. So today I'm going to go do the proverbial $100 hamburger. Heading off to Janesville. I'm going to go to Bessie's Diner and get some lunch. And then we'll turn around and come back. Alright, let's go over to departure and get some flight following. Chicago departure, Skyhawk 636 Charlie Bravo is 7 miles to the northwest of Chicago Executive with a VFR request.
Skyhawk 636 Charlie Bravo, Chicago approach, clock 5164.
5164, 6 Charlie Bravo.
6 Charlie Bravo, radar contact 5 miles southwest of the Northbrook VOR, indicating 2,200, the O'Hare altimeter 3027, say request.
We would like VFR flight following to Janesville, Juliet, Victor, Lima.
6 Charlie Bravo, roger. The O'Hare altimeter 3027, if I didn't give that to you.
3027, thank you, 6 Charlie Bravo.
Six Charlie Bravo, traffic 1238 miles southbound, indicates 3,300.
Looking for traffic, 6 Charlie Bravo.
6 Charlie Bravo, there's numerous VFRs out there below 2,500 feet. What altitude do you plan on cruising at Janesville?
I was going to cruise at 2,500, but if you think I should go somewhere else, that's where I'll go.
6 Charlie Bravo, it's up to you. Just keep your eyes peeled for the VFRs. I'll point them out once they get closer.
I'll keep my eyes peeled. I'll go up to 3,000 if you think that'll help.
6 one way, half a dozen the other. They're pretty much at every altitude out there.
All right, I'll keep my eyes peeled. Thank you, 6 Charlie Bravo.
Stop.
Yes, there is a lot of traffic out here today. It's one of the few days we've had recently where it hasn't been windy or cloudy or both. So I'm going to definitely have to keep a good watch out on the traffic around here. This is where a lot of flight training happens, right around the area I'm flying through right now. So just got to keep an eye out and make sure. Cruising along at 2,500 feet. We are just crossing into Wisconsin, 14 miles away from Janesville. Got my approach briefed. They're landing 2-2, and we'll start thinking about heading down here in the next 10 miles or so.
November 6 Charlie Bravo, radar service terminated. Contact Janesville Tower 118.8, Squawk VFR.
Contact Janesville Tower 118.8, Squawk VFR, 6 Charlie Bravo. Thank you for your help.
Blackfoot approach, Sierra Center 10 Sierra Golf. We just departed Whiteside. We'd like to head to Rock or take off on 22. requesting runway 14.
Janesville Tower, Skyhawk 636 Charlie Bravo is 11 miles to the southeast, inbound, full stop.
Southeast, again, call sign.
Skyhawk 636 Charlie Bravo.
Bravo, report 3 mile left base, runway 22.
And 77 Victor's requesting runway 14.
77 Victor, report 3 mile right base, 14.
We're just now turning right base, 14 this time,
77 Victor, 14, clear land.
Clear land 14, 77 Victor.
Delta X-ray 22 via Bravo Alpha, cross 32, hold runway 36.
I just began my descent into Janesville.
Janesville Tower, experimental blast air 661 Charlie, Charlie 10 to the southeast, landing with Romeo.
One Charlie, Charlie, report 3 mile left base, 22.
1 Charlie, Charlie will report 3 mile left base for 22, thank you.
Victor, cross 22.
Cross 22, 77 Victor.
Janesville Tower, Saratoga 6052 Charlie is 10 miles to the southeast for landing with Romeo.
Charlie Bravo, did you call report? Did you call left base?
I have not called left base yet.
Is that you on left base?
Left downwind, turning left base now.
6 Charlie Bravo, 22 clear land.
22 clear to land, 6 Charlie Bravo.
Delta X-ray cross 36.
Janesville Tower, Skyhawk 80090, 7 to the southeast, full stop landing with information Romeo.
90, report 3 mile left base, 22.
Report 2 mile left base, 22, 090.
And Janesville Tower, Saratoga 6052 Charlie is 8 miles to the southeast with Romeo for landing.
Dr. Charlie, report 3 miles southeast, enter midfield left downwind for runway 22.
52 Charlie, roger, midfield for left downwind. I'll call.
You call 3 miles southeast, enter midfield left downwind for 2252 Charlie.
52 Charlie, roger, 3 miles for left downwind for 22 midfield.
Janesville Tower, class there, 1 Charlie Charlie is a 3 mile for midfield left downwind 22.
1 Charlie Charlie, you're following the Cessna traffic on shore final 22, clear to land.
Following the short traffic, cleared to land 22, 1 Charlie Charlie.
Alright, on speed, on Gladstone.
We're off this calling ground. Three Aqua Alpha 22 via Bravo Alpha cross 32, hold short 36. Aqua Alpha runway 22 via Bravo Alpha cross 32, hold short 36. 6 Charlie Bravo intention.
Heading over to Bessie's.
6 Charlie Bravo, continue down, make a left turn on Bravo, taxi with this frequency.
Left turn on Bravo, taxi with this frequency, 6 Charlie Bravo.
52 Charlie is 3 miles, turning left downwind for 22.
Janesville Tower, Cessna 80090, 2 miles, left downwind, 22. Left.
090, proceed back southeast on report 3 miles southeast.
Turning southeast, report 3 miles, 090.
52 Charlie, found traffic, 1.5 miles left base to final.
52 Charlie has the traffic.
52 Charlie number 2, 32, question 22, clear to land.
52 Charlie, roger, cleared to land number 2 on 22.
Okay, 090, have you in sight. Continue on the base leg. Your number 3 found a Cherokee traffic, I believe it is, on the left downwind turning base.
Looking for traffic, clear for left base, number 3, 090.
And 52's turning left base.
Ground standby. One Charlie, Charlie down the runway, make a left turn on Bravo, taxi with this frequency, minimum time on the runway.
All right, I will turn off the Bravo as soon as possible. 1 Charlie Charlie.
All right, we've landed and we're heading over here to Bessie's, and we'll see if we can find a place to park.
And Tower 52 Charlie is turning final for 22.
52 Charlie's clear land 22.
52 Charlie, roger, cleared to land 22.
Aqua Alpha 22 via Bravo Alpha cross 32, hold short 36.
Janesville Tower 80090, I do not see any other traffic for 22.